about some employee and their performance in terms of business value. So my database contains employee name, their manager, which product category they deal in, city and country they belong to, and business volume that they have yielded in financial year 1819 and 1920. What I'm going to do using pivot table, I would like to analyze business growth country wise, product category wise, and also we'll check out for which manager the business has grown and for whom the business has degrown. Alright, so for all these questions, we would use pivot table and find out answers. Let us select the entire database, go to insert and click on pivot table. This will give you a pop-up where it asks you to select the table lanes that we have already selected, and we would like to have my pivot table in new worksheet. So I'm okay with that. I'll click OK, and you see a new sheet 1 is inserted with the pivot table placeholder and various field and pivot table settings on the right hand side. This layout might be different for you, so if you want to make it sync, you can click on the setting button and you can select the first layout. You can see these are the field column fields that we have defined. You can see serial number, employee code, employee name, etc. So that is what serial number, employee code, employee name, etc. are there. And then you have 4 boxes here: filter, column, rows, and values. We'll check out one by one. So our first question was, we would like to analyze business growth country wise. So what I'm going to do, I'll select country and I'll put it into the rows box. The moment I put it in here, you can see all the countries are shown in the row labels, and I'll drop the financial year 1819 data into some value, and in a jiffy it gives you the sum total or subtotal country wise for financial year 1819. The numbers are not grouped, so let us right click, go to number format and change the number settings as per your requirement. And let's just analyze which country is giving you the maximum sales volume. I'll right click over here, I'll go to sort and I'll sort largest to smallest. You can see India has given you the maximum sales volume, followed by China and Japan. Let's see what happens when we include financial year 1920 as well into the pivot table. I'll again drag and drop it and change the number setting once again. I just added some more decimal point whether I wanted to make it 0. Alright, so you can see the in totality business has grown, in per country wise also business has grown. Let's find out the percentage delta. So I'll set this over this and I'll copy paste and I'll change it to percentage format. So the business has grown for every country. Let's put in conditional formatting to know which country has given you the maximum growth. So you can see China has given you around 59% of growth, followed by Malaysia, and these two other countries which are giving you the majority of growth. So you see how using pivot table you can find out the subtotal pretty easily and you can analyze it. Okay, how dynamic it is. So if I remove country and I put in product category here, so now it gives you the same data with category wise. So you can again see here that electronic accessories and gadget category has grown by almost 68% year on year, whereas the footwear industry has not grown. At least for this particular company, it has grown just by 6%. Let's say you would like to check out manager's performance now, so you can drag manager into it, and you can see that Watson has brought in the maximum business growth with 66%, whereas Neville has been little on the lower side. He has not even able to match up the previous year business. So using pivot table, you can easily analyze even a big chunk of data. So hope you could learn how to use pivot table using this small video. Please let us know how you like it. Please share your comments in comment section, and please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel to know more. In future, if you would like me to create any video in any specific feature, please let me know in comment section and we'll make it for you. Thank you very much.